Welcome to my channel. My name is London and today I have another hair video for you guys. So I got sent a hairdryer with a diffuser attachment and I just had to make a video because I've been wanting a diffuser forever. I do have more wavier hair. When I was younger I had ringlets and I've always wanted to try it out. So that's what this video is all about. So this is the hairdryer that I got sent. I did get this sent to me by Influenster. I do have a link in my description box to sign up, but it's basically an app where you go and you do reviews and they send you products for reviews and all that good stuff. And I have gotten such a cool thing. So this is the Infinity Pro by Conair Natural Texture Styling System. And this diffuser is no joke, y'all. I wasn't really going to film it. I filmed a little bit for a TikTok video, but then I was like, I need to do a YouTube video on this because I actually really like how my hair turned out. I did style it and then I slept on it, so it's not as curly as it was. And I do have pretty long hair, so it does get weighed down, but I did want to see how it would do to sleep on it, like how many days these curls would last, and I'm pretty impressed that this lasted with sleeping on it. And the best part is that my hair isn't frizzy. It's like a natural beachy wave almost. I do feel like I can get it to the point of ringlets, but I do think I need to do more of a curly girl routine to achieve that. But I mean, for the first time trying a diffuser, I do feel like my hair turned out pretty stinking good. So this is the hairdryer. It's pretty much your standard hairdryer, cool set, all of that good stuff. And this is the diffuser, and this one is pretty awesome. As some of you guys know, I am a hairstylist. So I've used a diffuser on other people, but I have never used a diffuser on myself. And this one is pretty awesome. I will have a link in the description box down below for you guys to check this out. It's actually on sale as of right now, checking it out on Ulta. And I did find this in a couple of different colors, depending on where you look. But this actually isn't as expensive as I thought, because I've been eyeballing the Dyson stuff and that is crazy expensive, under like 80 bucks for a hairdryer and diffuser. I'm like, sign me up. So let's go through what I did with my hair. So I took a shower and washed my hair as normal, and then I used the Diva Curl Wave Maker in wet hair, which is what the directions say. I've only used this twice and I do know the warnings with this product. I don't know if they've reformulated this. I did get this sent to me and it does say new on it, so I don't know what the whole dealio is, but I did have a few people bring it to my attention on TikTok that this was in a lawsuit, so I don't really know. I'm using this very sparingly. I'm not using it every time I wash my hair. I'm trying to really spread it out and use it like once a month just to kind of test it out. But anyways, it says to scrunch it into wet hair, so I did that while I was still in the shower and really sloshed it into my hair. And then after I got out of the shower, I kind of got my old t-shirt and further scrunched my hair, and then I used the Lola V glossing detangler, can never pronounce that word. I sprayed a little bit of that in my hair and then kind of scrunched that into my hair as well. And then I went in with the hair dryer, and I went in a million times with the diffuser throughout my hair. I say a million times because this is the first time that I've used it, so I really didn't know how to use it. And let me know if you have any tips, because I was kind of putting my hair in, turning it on, letting it sit for a second, and then turning it off and going section by section that way. But the one thing that I can tell about this diffuser is that it really doesn't shoot air out of the hair dryer. It really kind of centers the air and heat within the diffuser, So if you guys can tell, the bottom of my hair was getting a lot more dry and defined than the hair closer to my scalp, because it was kind of focusing it within the diffuser. So all of the hair that was around my scalp or closest to my scalp was still a little bit more on the damp side, and it wasn't really getting dry, even though I used the diffuser for about 10 minutes, which, I mean, this hairstyle is pretty awesome it only took me 10 minutes. That whole clip that I condensed down was all 10 minutes, and I'm sure with using it more often I can get better at doing it. But as you guys can see, my hair turned out super curly to my standards. I did not think my hair was gonna get that curly, and it wasn't frizzy, because when I let my hair air dry, or if I try to scrunch my hair the traditional way, it does get really frizzy. And after that, I pretty much left my hair alone and let the rest of it air dry. I would say it was like 90 to 95% dry, with, you know, most of this part being a little bit more on the damp side. But I mean, for sleeping on it, and I put it up in a ponytail once, like, I feel like these curls are pretty bomb, if I don't say so myself. If you want to have your hair a little bit more on the natural side without having to deal with the frizz or curling it or anything like that, I'm gonna definitely try this a bit more often. If you guys want a dedicated tutorial, definitely let me know and I will do that for you guys. But I did want to share, because I would also like some tips if you guys have used diffusers before or have some good curl cream suggestions. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm trying to show you guys all of my hair in one shot so that you guys can get a better idea of what the curls look like after sleeping on it. I mean, some bits are a little frizzy, but not nearly as frizzy as my hair typically gets. Like, I feel totally comfortable wearing my hair like this out and about. But you guys let me know. I am super excited to keep using this and see where my hair can go. As you guys know, I'm trying to kind of embrace my naturalness. I've been growing out my natural hair color, and now I'm embracing my natural curls, but in a more less frizzy defined way. So we'll see if this is my new go-to hairstyle. But yes, that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next.